Way down in the Congo land lived a happy chimpanzee. She loved the monkey with a long tail. Lordy, how she loved him. Each night he would find her there swinging in the coconut tree. And the monkey gay at the break of day loved to hear his chimpy say, "Abba dabba 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 dabba," said the chimpy to the monk. "Dabba dabba 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 dabba," said the monkey to the chimp. All night long they chatter away, all day long they were happy and gay, swinging and singing in a hunky-monkey way.
Dabba dabba dabba, dabba 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 means monk I love but you.
Dabba 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 in monkey talk means chimp I love you too. Then the big baboon one night in June he married them, and very soon they went upon their dabba dabba honeymoon. Well, you should have heard that band play upon their wedding day. Each chimp and monkey had some nutshells, Lordy, how to play them. And now it is every night high up in the coconut tree. It's the same old thing with the same old swing when the monk and chimpy sing. Abba dabba 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 diddly dabba dab, says the chimpy to the monk. Dabba 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 diddly dabba dab, says the monkey to the chimp. All night long they chatter away, all day long they were happy and gay, swinging and singing in a hunky-monkey way.
Dabba dabba dabba, dabba 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 means monk I love but you.
Dabba 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 in monkey talk means chimp I love you too. Then the big baboon one night in June he married them, and very soon they went upon their abba dabba honeymoon. Dabba 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 dabba, said the chimpy to the monk. Said the monkey to the chimp. All night long they chatter away, all day long they were happy and gay, swinging and singing in a hunky-monkey way. Means monk I love but you. Dabba 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 in monkey talk means chimp I love you too. And when they were both made man and wife, they shouted out, "'Tis damn the life returning from their abba dabba honeymoon." tavern way down in Brittany, where weary soldiers take their liberty. The keeper's daughter, whose name is Madelon, pours out the wine while they laugh and carry on. And while the wine goes through their senses, her sparkling glance goes through their hearts. Their admiration so intense is each one his tale of love imparts. She's coquette with them all, but favors none at all. And here's the way they banter every time they fall. Oh, Madelon, you are the only one. Oh, Madelon, for you we carry on. Years so long since we have seen a man. Won't you give us just a kiss? But Madelon, she takes it all in fun. She laughs and says, you see, it can't be done. I would like, but how can I confess, when I'm through the home regiment? It's so long since we have seen a man. Won't you give us just a kiss? I would like, but how can I confess, when I'm through the home regiment? She knows the captain who twirls a big mustache. She knows the colonel whose eyes with anger flash. She gives them both the sweetest kind of smile, and now and then chats with each a little while. Just when his talk gets interesting, the other hollers for some wine. He laughs and skips away, suggesting they'll talk again some other time. She never answers yes, she never tells them no, and here's the song they're singing when they come and go. Oh, Madelon, you are the only one. Oh, Madelon, for you we stand.